Hello, in the previous video, I explained the functional execution method for executing the test case. Now it is time to analyze the system information. Just to have a better demo visualization, for this video, I have executed one more test case. But you can visualize for one test case at a time too. Now we will visualize two test cases where one will be the test case that is executed in the previous video. To analyze the results of the executed test case, click on the Analyze Results button. From the pop-up, click on For API button. It will open Kibana in a new tab in 30 seconds. This will show the system information like CPU and memory usage during the execution of the test cases. At first, it may not display the chart, but it will get auto-refreshed for 4 times in a time interval of 30 seconds for the first 2 minutes. After refreshing, the charts will come automatically. There are 4 charts. The first and the second displays the utilization of CPU and memory for each test case marked in the index. The third and the fourth one displays the utilization of CPU and memory at regular intervals in the form of bar graph and line graph for each test case marked in the index. With this analysis, the process of testing a test case gets completed. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For further more assistance, contact us on sales@TestOnNeed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.